My name is Sherwood. Welcome to Hyundai of Keene. Hyundai has been known as a great car for value, but one of the things that they've been excelling at over the last couple of years is technology. We're going to look at the Hyundai 2020 Sonata, and we're going to learn today how do you set up your heads-up display. So to set up your heads-up display, it's now in the radio console in this vehicle. So you go down here to Setup, Vehicle, and the first thing you have to do is enable your heads-up display. Once enabled, you have display controls, which give you display height, rotation, and brightness. So you can adjust the screen up and down, you can adjust the screen left to right, which is your rotation. And then the brightness, how bright do you want, this to be? The next one is content selection. So there are several things. So radio media, blind spot, lane safety, driving assist, turn by turn with the navigation. As you can see here, all of this will display on your screen depending on what you want. You can, for the speed and the speedometer, you can set the number size from small to large. And you can set the color, white, orange, or green, whatever works for you. I particularly like the orange.
For more information on the features and technology in the 2020 Hyundai Sonata, please visit HyundaiofKeene.com.